In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily sign out of your account on both a PC using Chrome and a mobile app. Whether you're on your computer or on your phone, logging out is a simple process, but ensuring that you do it correctly is important for maintaining your privacy and security. Let's dive into the steps for each platform. First, let's look at how to sign out of your account if you're using Chrome on your PC. Begin by locating your profile icon. You'll find this in the top right corner of your browser window. It's usually represented by your account's profile picture or initials. Once you've spotted it, go ahead and click on it. Doing this will reveal a drop-down menu with several options pertaining to your account. From this menu, you'll want to select the option that says Sign Out. Clicking here will log you out of your account. If you don't see immediate confirmation, don't worry, your session should now be safely closed. Now let's move over to the mobile app. The steps are slightly different, but just as simple. Start by opening the app on your phone. Once you've got it open, look towards the top left or right corner of your screen for the menu icon. This is often depicted as 3 horizontal lines, or sometimes as a more simplified menu button. When you tap on this menu icon, you'll be taken to a list of options. From this list, find and go to Settings. Within the Settings menu, you will see an option to sign out. Go ahead and tap on that option. In some instances, the app might ask you for confirmation to ensure you're intending to log out and it's not being done by accident. If prompted, confirm the sign out action. And there you have it. Both processes are quick and straightforward, helping you maintain control over your personal data with just a couple of clicks or taps. Remember, regularly signing out of your accounts on shared or public devices adds an extra layer of security. It's a good habit to develop, ensuring your personal information isn't exposed to others who might use the same device. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial makes the process a breeze for you. Stay safe, and make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. See you next time.